I didn't know how to tell the kids, listen, both your parents are now unemployed. And I also didn't want to put the burden of worry on them. I went back to my wings, Mike, and it just fell on a wink that I wrote myself on the 11th of July, 2017. Listen how that wink equipped me to face my children. This is what I wrote in 2017 to myself, ne? This morning my heart is very heavy because I'm tired of this group. And I really cannot imagine that this should be my life forever. It was the most beautiful sunrise this morning. I was reading the Psalm 73. Whom have I in heaven but you? And there is none upon that I desire besides you. My flesh and my heart fail, but God is the strength of my heart and my portion forever. For indeed, those who are far from you shall perish. You have destroyed all those who desert you for a harlotry. But it's good for me to draw near to you, God. I have put my trust in the Lord, that I may declare your works. And then I'm still writing to myself. And then I started looking at other people's Facebooks. And I saw their holidays in Greece. And I really feel jealous. But here I'm reading the Psalm 73. And it convicts me. Audrey, it ends with, I have put my trust in the Lord God, that I may declare your works. And once again, I was reminded of the Psalm 105 years ago, which I felt was meant for me and Hein as a purpose in life. Audrey, print the Psalm 105 and do it with everything you touch. And the Psalm 105 is, Oh, give thanks to the Lord, call upon his name, make known his deeds among the people. Sing to him, sing the psalms to him. Talk of his wondrous works, glory in his holy name. Let the hearts of those rejoice who seek the Lord and his strength, seek his face forevermore. Remember his marvelous works which he has done, his wonders and his judgments of his mouth. And that's when I went to the kids, we explained it to them, and I said, look, my heart has been yearning for this to happen for a very long time. For a very long time. And I didn't have the guts to do it. But maybe it's God telling me, Audrey, if you don't have the guts, I'm going to do it for you. Yeah. So Mike, that's where we are. We have taken the year to relaunch the Wink movement into no undercover Christian training, no corporate training. I want to go and show Psalm 105 to the world. And I want to show it to them so that everyone knows how we mix faith with work and not just with church. Yeah. That's what I want to do.
I love we could each of the key points you've made, we could have stopped and talked about each one for 30 or 45 minutes because I so many things there I can identify with. And again, I'm gonna come back to your I think your gift for stating really important things very simply. And one of those, you just did it again. You talked about, I love we're blending, or integrating is a word I like, but we're blending, mixing faith and work, not church. It's not an anti-church statement at all, but it is my personal faith, the work assigned to me, joined together for the glory of God. Again, it's an extremely simple concept when you take away some of the confusing pieces.